That's what your chin's gonna look like after this video. Pizza Roll Nachos. Oh. Extra batteries in my pocket. Yeah. I can't find my wallet.
You want out?
We are heading to the store to get the stuff for the Pizza Roll Nachos.
Check it out, chauffeur.
So right now we're heading to the store to get everything we need for the Pizza Roll Nachos. I have pretty much everything at home, but I gotta show you guys what you need. Well, I guess technically I could just show it at home, but it's more interesting going out to get it. Plus I wanna get jalapenos, so I still need that. That's a lot of white cars, by the way, all together. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
That's weird. 1, 2,
3,
4,
6,
5,
7, 8, 9.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Dang, this camera actually looks super nice right now. I don't understand. Looks nicer than normal.
It's always been nice, a very nice camera.
It's a sign. You know what it probably is? It's because I see it on stream all the time and the bit rate's different. When you actually see it, how good it looks. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Very nice.
Just like these Pizza Roll Nachos. Secret ingredients for the Pizza Roll Nachos?
Yeah.
Special sauce.
Be revealed at the end of the video. Oh,
Yeah, so watch to the end.
And subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button.
No, only if you like the video, which if you're here, you might.
If you don't like the video, get out.
He said it, not me. I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese on top of the Alfredo when I bake it.
Nice.
I haven't tried that yet. I think that'll be good.
That tastes really good.
Do you think too much white cheese is gonna be gross though?
Yeah, get some cheddar with it.
Yeah, I was thinking cheddar might be good when we melt it on top of the nachos. Are you gonna try them?
I don't know.
You haven't tried them yet, have you?
No, but it sounds really good.
They are. Somebody in my stream actually said to create a vlog, and I was like, hey, let's make a Pizza Roll Nacho vlog. You know what's crazy? I didn't even think about this. You don't see many purple cars.
Thank goodness.
No, remember the Riviera we had?
Huh?
It was like
burgundy.
Well, you don't see many burgundy flavored colored cars.
Burgundy flavored cars.
There's the Kroger. Okay, we're here, so we're gonna go in and get the ingredients. Come on. I'm like a YouTuber now.
I'm a real YouTuber.
I did the hand thing. I'm not doing that. Come on.
What the heck?
What? What, you put a cherry out, or is that a cranberry?
Yeah, it was on my car.
Must have fell from a tree. Did you park under a tree?
Yeah, let's see the bird poop on the other side.
Nope.
I'm gonna find that bird. There's Casey Neistat.
Wait, where's Casey Neistat?
Over there in the hat.
We're in the store right now. How good does all of this look? Every time we come to the grocery here, we always come by this bakery. Look at some of this stuff. What? Yeah, don't they look good?
Yeah.
We always come by the donuts.
Love donuts. Look at these cakes. Lemon meringue pie. Derby pie.
Pretzels. Pretzel nachos next. Those look so good. Mmm. What is this, carrot cake? This one looks good too, right here.
Carrot cake. Easter cookies.
Would you eat that?
Ooh, I'd tear it up.
Okay, the battery's about to die, so I gotta grab this stuff quick. We're getting cheese right now. Ooh, I don't know.
You don't have Velveeta, do they?
Wait. Where's the private selection? Yeah, there we go.
Do you have a vlog?
What's that?
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah,
What's your YouTube channel?
Tommy Swan.
Another channel is mybatteryrunninglow.com.
You also need Alfredo sauce, but I already have this, so I don't have to get it. I don't have jalapenos though, and I'm gonna add jalapenos this time. I'm looking for jalapenos right now. You found them? Let's right here.
Sweet heat.
Jalapenos. Now I gotta show you the most important part. The pizza rolls. Come on. I also have these, but I'm cheap and I use off-brand. But you can use any kind of pizza roll you want for them. All right, I got one more thing to show you guys for the recipe. The tortilla chips. Okay. Now before I show you this, I gotta tell you, this is the best brand to use for the chips. Santitas. Look at this. Taki Pringles? What the heck? Maybe next time. Taki beef jerky. Okay, tell me what your favorite energy drink is below. I like Ghost. Shredded one right here, red berry. 2 for $4.
Oh, look at that one on top. What kind is that?
That's citrus. All right, which one's your favorite? I love my energy drinks. They're so good. How good does that pizza look? How good do those donuts look? I gotta get out of here. It's killing me. So as far as I know, that's everything we need for the recipe. So we're gonna go home and make them. Come on. Ice cream? Hey guys, guess what? I kind of suck at this. I don't vlog.
Hey, you know what? I suck at it too.
It's real funny.
Hey, you know what?
Mocking me.
You get it from somewhere.
Now we go home and we make the nachos. Okay, so I'm home now and we have all of our ingredients laid out. I got my chips, the jalapenos, the pizza rolls, the Alfredo sauce. We got the aged sharp cheddar. Now I've never done this before. This is gonna be my first time. So I'm gonna take the shredded cheddar cheese and sprinkle it on top of the mozzarella and see how that comes out. We're also gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees and let that sit for a minute. Okay, so something important we forgot. Spray for the pan. So I'm gonna have to take butter and spread it on the pizza pan and put that in the oven beforehand. So let's get the butter out. This is about to be so scuffed. Oh my gosh. Okay. How am I gonna do this? I guess you just spread it on the pan. This is so scuffed. Yeah. That should be enough butter, right? Okay, now what you're gonna wanna do is if you don't have any spray, you're gonna wanna let this set in the oven for a minute and let it melt and swish it all around. Gotta put the butter up. Ooh. Kinda wanna try this cheese really quick before I put it on the Alfredo. Private Selection. If you have a Kroger, one of the best brands. It smells like cheddar. Okay, let's give it a try. That's good, people. Real good. I'll be. Butter's melted. Oh, this worked good. Look. Kind of just gotta. Oh my gosh. This is how you do it the poor man's way. You have to lubricate the pan. All right, we're ready. Okay, so this is where it gets tricky. You gotta take your bag of pizza rolls. By the way, my dad's behind the camera now. You gotta put them in your bowl. Just a few, but I like to do a lot. Yeah, this is dinner. Okay, so now that you have your pizza rolls in the bowl, okay. Now, you don't have to put them in the microwave for too long. You just need to get them thawed a little bit. So you can do probably a minute and a half. And while we're waiting, actually, the chips. So you just sprinkle a little bit on your pan. That wasn't a little bit. Spread them out. Hey, you know what? Let's get fancy with this. Take the private selection, drizzle a little bit on. Just little bits. Jalapenos. You can get this done probably 10 minutes tops. It doesn't take a lot of time. I like jalapenos, so we're gonna throw these all over here. Okay. And now, this is the tricky part. You have these pizza rolls. Like that. You might want to get in close here. Okay. So what you do is you take the pizza roll pieces. It gets a little messy. You got to be careful because they're gonna be very hot. So what you do is you just rip pieces of it. It's basically like chicken or beef, throwing them on top of the nachos. Yeah, keep doing that right there. How do you guys like this food vlog so far? This little food hack vlog. But you keep doing that until you're done. Yeah. I made a little bit too many. Very tasty. Off-brand hits different. Yeah, look at that. It looks delicious, doesn't it? I think I made way too many. Don't you?
Looks good though.
Does it?
Yes, it does.
Last part. Okay. Bertolli. Check this out. You gotta use Alfredo sauce. It'll spread. And then sprinkle that on. Then we throw it in the oven for like 7 minutes. All right, we'll pull it out in just a minute. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. Ooh. Woo! Pizza roll nachos. Let's get some Spike Lee angles on this shot. These.
One out of 10.
That's a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna end this, and I'm gonna enjoy these. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Mmm. Delicious. Reptar even looking at them. Look. Give them a try. Let me know.